In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 analytics platforms that can help you understand and optimize your web and application performance. These platforms provide valuable insights into user behavior, conversion rates, and overall effectiveness of your digital strategies. Let's dive in. Analytics platforms are essential because they offer key capabilities such as real-time user behavior tracking. This allows you to see what users are doing on your site as it happens. Conversion funnel analysis helps you understand where users are dropping off in your conversion process. Custom event monitoring enables you to track specific actions that are important to your business. And performance optimization insights provide recommendations on how to improve your website or application's performance. Today's top platforms include Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, Mixpanel, Amplitude, and Hotjar. Each offers unique features tailored to different analytical needs. Google Analytics stands as the #1 platform and is considered the industry standard. It offers a free tier with robust features, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Implementation involves a universal tracking code that is easy to install across your website. Google Analytics provides machine learning insights to help you automatically identify trends and anomalies in your data. Seamless integration with the Google ecosystem, including Google Ads and Google Search Console, enhances its utility. Here's an example of how to install Google Analytics and track custom events using the tag function. You can configure it with your Google Analytics measurement ID and track events like a purchase, including details such as transaction ID, value, and currency. Adobe Analytics is the #2 platform and is known for its enterprise-grade analytics capabilities. It is designed for larger organizations with more complex needs. Adobe Analytics excels in advanced segmentation, allowing you to create highly specific user groups for analysis. It offers real-time data processing for up-to-the-minute insights. Custom attribution modeling helps you understand the impact of different touchpoints on conversions. It provides cross-device tracking to follow users across multiple devices and platforms. Here's an example of how to integrate the Adobe Analytics Software Development Kit, or SDK, to track page views and custom events. This involves initializing Adobe Analytics with your report suite ID, tracking page names and channels, and setting up custom event tracking. Mixpanel is ranked as the #3 platform and focuses on event-based analytics. It is particularly useful for understanding user interactions within your application. Mixpanel uses an event-driven tracking model, which captures specific user actions as events. It offers user journey visualization, allowing you to see the paths users take through your product. Cohort analysis tools help you group users based on shared characteristics and behaviors. It provides A/B testing integration, making it easier to test different versions of your product. Here is an example of how to use Mixpanel to track user events, such as button clicks, and update user profiles with information like email and plan type. Amplitude is the #4 platform and is a leader in product analytics. It is tailored for product teams looking to optimize user engagement and retention. Amplitude offers behavioral cohort analysis, allowing you to group users based on their actions and behaviors. It provides predictive analytics, helping you anticipate future user behavior. User path optimization tools help you identify the most effective paths through your product. It enables revenue impact tracking, showing how user behavior affects your bottom line. Here's how to set up Amplitude and track product events, such as when a product is viewed. You can initialize Amplitude with your application programming interface, or API, key and log events with details like product ID, category, and price. Hotjar is the #5 platform and specializes in visual user behavior analytics. It provides tools to see how users are interacting with your website. Hotjar offers heatmap visualization, showing where users click, move, and scroll on your pages. It provides session recordings, allowing you to watch real users interacting with your site. User feedback collection tools help you gather insights directly from your users. And it provides conversion funnel analysis, helping you identify drop-off points in your conversion process. Here is an example of how to quickly set up Hotjar tracking. You can initialize Hotjar with your site ID and version, track custom events, and trigger user polls to gather feedback. In summary, Google Analytics is universal and free, making it a great starting point. Adobe Analytics offers enterprise-scale capabilities for larger organizations. Mixpanel focuses on event tracking, providing insights into user interactions. Amplitude excels in product analytics, helping optimize user engagement. And Hotjar provides visual insights, allowing you to see how users behave on your site. The key takeaway is that success depends on matching platform capabilities to your specific business needs and technical requirements. Choose the platform that best aligns with your goals and resources to unlock the full potential of your data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.